I'm gonna do something new for you guys. You know how I haven't done a cold start video of a car before? Well, today I am, because we're trading it for a Dodge Coronet that we traded for a different car a few years back. Now I'm going to trade back with that from a friend that we know. But this car is a 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 with a 390 in it. Convertible. Maybe sometime soon after we get the Coronet home and do whatever we need to do when I have some time, I'll show you guys how that car starts when it's cold. Drives great for the miles it has. Used to have a 47 Mercury. I don't know if I have any pictures of it. I know we have them somewhere, but they're not anywhere I can show you guys right now. Thanks for watching that.